Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Xfinity Now Wi-Fi Pass. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. So you can find Xfinity Wi-Fi if you pay $10. You can just connect it anywhere. So right here, this is what it looks like. So if you're wondering if this is actually legit or is it worth the money, let's go over here on forums on Xfinity. So the Wi-Fi Pass Now review, the good and the bad. So the good of it is that Wi-Fi Pass Now is cheap and you do have access to lots of hotspots provided they work. And the bad, customer support isn't that easy to get unless you have other Xfinity services. Xfinity doesn't have Wi-Fi hotspot outage map. Xfinity puts significant, if not majority, of these hotspots in locations where little to no tech expertise exists. Fortunately, from the limited experience I see is that tech people are solving the issue on site are likely to be able to resolve the obvious by doing simple restart, don't have the expertise to solve more difficult problems. Xfinity's attitude towards non-working hotspot is go to another hotspot, and I put down your home network for a topic as a matter of necessity. So this is not very worth it, and it is not a scam, but it is not worth it since the service is very bad. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.